So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is John Eche here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can group elements with Canva on your smartphone, right? Say you're working on a design and you have a group of elements you need to move, maybe a font and a shape and a particular texture or an image, and you want to move them together, and you're afraid of losing the orientation and the alignment, and you need to move them together just like this one on your smartphone, right? Can you see how all 5 elements are moving simultaneously on my smartphone? They are maintaining their equal distances with one another as I'm moving them, right? So I'm going to show you how to do this, and let's just start with a plain background. Okay, so I'm just going to basically duplicate this, and let me delete all this. Good. So first thing, I want you to bring in the elements you want to group. So for instance, I'll click on this plus button here, and I have the subscribe button, which I place in the middle. I have this 3D notification bell can be here, and then I have the YouTube icon. All right, let me just change the orientation a little, and then I have this texture. Okay, so I have this texture here. Good. Click on this, and I'm going to bring in this quote. It's a 3D element, and it's actually very attractive also. So by the way, if you're a new visitor to my channel, you're welcome. Do well to subscribe so you don't get to miss out on any updates, and also turn on the notification icon so that you'll be the first to be notified on every update I make on this channel. All right, so when that is done, and if you are an existing subscriber, welcome back family. Don't forget to like this video so that everyone that needs it get to learn how to group elements in Canva. Okay, so I want to group them. I want to start from this one. Whichever one you choose is okay. So long press any of the elements you want to group. Long press one of them. You would see this option which says select multiple. Click on it, and then select the second one. You will see the number increase to 2. Select the third one, number is now 3. The fourth one, number is 4 and 5. And then just scroll to your right hand side, and you will see group, right? You'll see an option saying group. So click on group, and they'll be grouped. So when you select it, you can move them everywhere in your design. It's not compulsory that now if you want to ungroup, parameter you have moved them and you want to ungroup, you just select. You will see ungroup here in this window. Click on ungroup, and that is done. So they are now individual. They exist independent of themselves, while this one is grouped. Okay, so one other thing I want to show you is how to copy element from one page of your design. All right, so that is it. I hope you got value from this video, and you'll be able to implement it in your design to help you work faster and achieve more accurate design than you've done before now, right? If you got value from this video, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and put on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on updates I'll bring your way next time. Okay, so I will see you in the next one.